only one can take any of this credit because behind my thought process, I had great people of our community in my mind who can make things happen down the road and make everything possible. And then as I started working, first thing, as soon as the package came in my hand, I was downstairs in the downtown and I called Commissioner. I said, I have something important and I want to talk to you. And it was somehow it was meant to be that he said, I have only 5 minutes window, come on up and talk to me right now. And I went to his office, Commissioner Higginbotham, and I put that on his table and I said, I have something, I think this can be very good for the community. And prior to that, my friend Hiren Jain, when we did our India Festival in 2012, at that time, he brought that proposal to me that this came to my table 3 years ago and we tried in Orlando and whatnot, and I don't know we can do it, So I took little time to study and I felt that we have done India Festival. It is same thing, but maybe 100 times bigger, but we can do it, So that's how the thought process started. Anyway, Commissioner immediately paid attention to that, and very next day I got call from Visit Tampa Bay, and San Diego was coming in at that time. I was dealing with Alex and Greg and Sherry, and things started from that point. It went very fast. We put the right team together. We have created a website right now, which is a very primary, basic, nothing fancy, gobollywoodtampabay.com. And in that website, I have put everybody who supported us, all the different agencies. And we actually got support all the way from local government, local entity like Visit Tampa Bay, all the way to Brand USA, who are also aware of this event coming to town, because this is a major, major attraction, and it is going to boost economy like anything. So I'm all for it. Like I said, I definitely want to bring Dr. K because he was really wind beneath my wing when we started talking about it, and working with him for all these years. I learned a lot how to work with community and put things together, so definitely without his words of advice and all that, I would have not been able to be here, and I really appreciate it. And of course, with everybody, first Commissioner Santiago, Visit Tampa Bay, and then our local community, and I have gotten so much support since the announcements are made, thousands of emails and text messages and Facebook posts, and I'm really excited that we are going to do a very good job, and it's going to be a huge, huge event. And my estimation, if we did everything, we are going to have 300,000 people in Tampa Bay in next 10 months that we never expected. So we can take it from there. Thank you.
Great job. Yeah. Before we open the floor to questions of us, really want to emphasize that these are the types of event that this Bureau will pursue. There aren't always opportunities or invitations to bid on a Super Bowl or a political convention or a World Cup, but there are events like this that bring international attention and visitors to our destination. And Tampa will take its rightful place amongst those well-known and highly visited destinations around the world. It's the right thing. We have the assets, we have the right combinations to rise to that level, and it's the job of this Bureau, with the help of our community and our friends, to do that. So again, I thank you for coming, and now I'd like to open up the floor for any questions that you may have.